Hi, it's Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and today I want to show you a quick and simple way of organising your time on the weekends so that you can look at the properties that you want to see, but you've also got time to spend with your family and loved ones doing the stuff that you love to do. Let's assume that you have worked through my free downloadable workbook, How to Find Your Flipping Patch, and you found an awesome little flipping suburb that you want to start renovating in, but you still need to look through some home opens and try and find a house and look at what else is selling in that suburb. So I'm going to share my screen and go to one of my favourite tools, which is realestate.com.au. The reason I love it is because it's really simple to use and it's also free. So everybody has got access to it and it has some really fantastic features. So this weekend, I want to be looking in Secret Harbour at houses. So I'm going to search for what's available for sale in Secret Harbour. There's 169 results and I don't want to spend all weekend looking at hundreds of houses. So what I'm going to do is make things much more organised and simple for myself. And I'm going to click here on inspections and auctions and see what is available this weekend open for inspection. So Saturday on the 22nd of September, I want to look at houses between 400 and 500,000. So what I'm going to do here, which realestate.com.au has made very simple, is just start saving a couple of the properties that I want to look at. I could print off this whole page and write my notes out as to why I want to look at those properties. But I'm just going to show you how to do it simply on realestate.com.au. So I'm going to save properties that are priced between 400,000 and 500,000 so that I remember to look at them. I may or may not want to look at this one at 639,000. It's not in my price range, but I may want to compare that to see what's so great about that and see whether some of these properties could be brought up to that sort of value. That could be part of my strategy. But for now, I'm not going to look at that one. I'm just going to go on to Sunday and just look at a couple of properties and save them. So it's quite a lot of different prices in Secret Harbour. So I'm just looking between 400,000 and 500,000 and saving those. Now, what I need to do is just go up to the top of the page on realestate.com.au. There's a little icon here, which I click on, and they're my saved properties. So I'm going to look at the home opens that I've saved, and I want to look at what I'm going to do on Saturday. So realestate.com.au have made it very simple for me by putting it into a timeline, 10:20 to 10:40. And it has listed all of the properties that I want to see in chronological order. To make things even easier, you can add notes here. I've put in a note here, look at the backyard. I may want to have a look and see something there. And I can also go in after I've been to the property and add more notes. So it just keeps it all in a really organised fashion, all in the one place. And I don't have to spend all weekend driving around, which to me is awesome. So if you haven't seen my previous video on how to find your flipping patch, definitely go and have a look at that. You can download the How to Find Your Flipping Patch workbook below, so I'll leave a link there for you below. And if you'd like more tips and tricks on how to renovate for profit, please give me a thumbs up and make sure that you watch whatever I've got coming up next. So in the meantime, happy renovating. Bye.